While studying, I first read a topic from my study resource. Then I close it and try to write down as much as I can remember. I then open my study material once again and check what I missed. I write the points that I missed out either in another color, I circle it, or I just highlight it. I learn better with diagrams, so I try to draw as much as I can and avoid writing too much. Once I'm done with the entire chapter, I look through my notes once again and create flashcards only for the things that I missed. If you feel you don't learn well with flashcards, it's completely fine. The next day, while revising, you don't have to waste your time by looking at everything you've written. Just look at the stuff that you missed out yesterday, that is, the ones that you've either circled or highlighted.